it's Andrew's turn.
You said
I'm recording Jake, Andrew.
Don't video. It's Andrew's turn.
Jake, good job.
Here. Let's go over here. Here comes. He has 2 legs. Okay, now you have to set up. Here. Put it on here. Now, the back goes on your shoulder.
Where are you going? There we go. Are you coming down, Jake? Careful. Ooh. Go! 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 Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Good job, Jake. That was very nice sliding.
Okay.
You gonna do it again?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good counting. No, you should go down the small side, Jake, and that's Hannah is helping you, okay?
Or me. Oh, me. I can help Jake if he wants to go down there. Like sometimes.
You helped yesterday, Andrew. You did a good job.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ready? Whoa! Okay, say goodbye.
Bye-bye.